Hi Lola! Happy 75th birthday! Hindi ko mukhang 75 as always. You look younger than 75.
Hi Nanay! Happy 75th birthday! 25 years na lang, 100 ka na. Siguro naman mabibisita mo pa kami kapag after 25 years. Happy birthday ulit! Miss ka na namin dito. Wala na akong tiga pahi ng mga damit ko.
Wala nang na-excite sa alikabok.
Wala nang galit sa alikabok dito eh. Kami, hindi namin pinapasin alikabok, ni-snub namin.
Matipid na kami sa pledge.
Happy birthday, Nay! Yun niya, 75 years old na kayo. Anyway, dyan talaga. Darating din tayo dyan. Tatanda tayo. Kami tatanda na rin. Okay, enjoy your birthday, Nay.
Sige na, happy birthday ulit. See you sa April or sa May. Sana kasama niyo si Lorraine at si ate para mamasyal ulit tayo dito sa St. Louis. Sige, bye-bye.
Thank you for teaching me how to love, showing me what the word means, what I've been dreaming of. And now I know there is nothing that I could not do. Thanks to you for teaching me how to feel, showing me my emotions, letting me know what's real from what is not. What I've got is more than I'd ever hoped for, and a lot of what I've hoped for is thanks to you. No mountain, no valley, no time, no space, no heartache, no heartbreak, no far from grace can stop me from believing that my love will pull me through.
Happy birthday, Lola!
Happy birthday, Nanay! May you have more birthdays to come.
Sana po lagi kayo nasa good health.
I love you.
We miss you po!
Thanks to you.
Hi, Nay! Happy birthday ulit. Kaming dalawa naman ni June ngayon. Kanina si Jane. Ngayon ito, part 3, kaming dalawa. Happy 75th birthday ulit. Feel nyo 75 na kayo? Parang wala pang 75. Baby face kasi kayo eh. Parang ako. Sige, yun lang. Happy birthday.
Parang di nag-aag.
There's no mountain, no valley, no time, no space, no heartache, no heartbreak, no far from grace can stop me from believing that my love will see me through. Thanks to you, thanks to you for teaching me how to live, putting things in perspective, showing me how to give and how to take. No mistake, we were put here together. And if I break down.
Hi Lola! Happy birthday ulit! Gusto ko lang batiin sina nanay, si tatay, yung mga makukulit at magugulo kong mga kapatid, sina Ate Richie, si Marl, saka si Lorraine. Pati na rin yung mga pets natin sa bahay, yung mga manok ni tatay, saka yung mga pusa natin, si Friska, saka si Imang, saka yung mga anak ni Imang. Yun. Happy birthday ulit, Lola! I love you!